Hi friends. Today we are preparing a snack food, Gari. The name may feel little strange to you, but this is a special word made for puja occasions by Gora Saraswat community. They call it Gari. But while preparing for puja, one ingredient is excluded. We will discuss it on way. First of all, soak a cup of urad dal for 4 hours. Drain water and crush it with few other ingredients. 2 spring curry leaves, 2 teaspoon black pepper, enough salt and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Remember, we have to just crush it. Never grind it. And, if you are making gari for puja, do not add black pepper. That's the only difference. But we are making it as a snack food, so you can add it. If black pepper is not available, you can try pepper powder. Next we will make small balls with the crushed dal mix. It doesn't require a special shape. You can just fry it by pinching some mix and put it in hot oil. But ball shape will definitely visual appealing. What we are going to do is, we will deep fry these balls. So in a pan, heat enough oil and deep fry them to golden brown color. So now you know how to make this special word called Gari, right? Hope you like this simple recipe video. If so, please press the like button and share it with your friends and relatives. If you are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel, so you could watch such variety videos regularly. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in our next video. Thank you, take care.